Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your DAW and placing ZL Equalizer on the channel you want to shape. This puts processing where it matters. Once loaded, initialize or pick a flat preset so you're not chasing preset's color. Make sure the input level sits around -6 dBFS so the analyzer reads accurately. Next, enable the spectral analyzer to see problem areas and create one narrow band to sweep. This first actionable move reveals resonances and guide points for surgical work. Once you've exposed trouble spots, sweep a narrow band with a high Q to find resonances. You will hear harshness or muddiness as you sweep. Cut those with confident moves of 2.6 dB to restore clarity. For tonal enhancement, switch to wider Q and gentle boosts. This adds presence without sounding unnatural. Also, make use of mid/side modes to treat center and sides differently. This helps keep vocals focused while giving instruments stereo width. Finally, engage dynamic mode on bands if transient-dependent control is required. You finish by comparing before and after with quick A/B toggles to ensure your changes serve the mix. Trust your ears over meters. Make small output gain adjustments to maintain headroom. Aim for a safe ceiling around -0.5 to -1 dB if you'll master later. If you hear pumping or ringing, reduce the Q or lower the gain on the offending band. This troubleshooting step usually removes artifacts. Once satisfied, automate any frequency moves and render, confident the track sits cleaner and more musical.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.